everyone, today we are going to talk about the most important points that may come in form of MCQ in the exam about laser. The word laser stands for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. It has three important properties: monochromatic, collimated, coherent. Monochromatic, single color and same wavelength. Collimated emits organized light in the same direction. Coherent in space and time. That means it's systematically organized. You can see at the bottom of the page figure 7.6 b the three important properties of laser. They are the same, and the waves are the same. The waves are in the same direction and parallel to each other, and they are systematically organized. One of the important questions is laser tissue interaction. Memorize it as the word RAS. R-A-T-S. R stands for reflection, A absorption, T transmission, S scattering. There are different types of laser. I'm not going to go to dig deep in the details. You can find them in a nice and summarized way in chapter 7 in Cummings review. What I want to mention is that argon laser, pulse dye laser, KTP laser, all of these three types have something in common, that they are all absorbed by hemoglobin. That means that they can be used in the treatment of pigmented lesions. Now we come to an important subject that you may be asked about, what are the anesthetic considerations for laser surgery? The type of general anesthesia should be non-inflammable type. The forced inspiratory oxygen should be maintained less than 40%. Nitrous oxide should not be used, and methylene blue colored saline should be used for cuff inflation. It's very important question. We come to a very important question: what to do in the event of tube ignition? The tube should be withdrawn simultaneously as saline is flushed down the endotracheal tube and the ventilation is stopped. Then airway established immediately. Bronchoscopy done to assess the degree of injury. Give the patient IV steroid. Patient should remain intubated. Repeat bronchoscopy on daily basis till the airway is stable. It's very important and always ask and come in MCQ. Always ask questions and come in MCQ. So be attention about this. Now we come to the most important points that came about laser in different MCQ books. The laser used for treatment of dermatological conditions, mostly pulse dye laser. The laser with target beam is helium neon laser. The depth of penetration of CO2 laser is 0.3 mm or 0.03 cm. Laser used for massive nasal polyposis is KTP 532 laser. For treatment of bleeding subglottic hemangioma, yttrium aluminum garnet laser is used because it has photocoagulation properties. The laser used for hypertrophic scars, pulse dye laser. What is the chromophore targeted by CO2 laser? The answer is water. As we said before, argon laser is used for pigmented lesions, just port wine stain and telangiectasia. Another important question about CO2 laser is what is the predictor of failure for endoscopic CO2 laser treatment of subglottic stenosis? Scar length more than 1 cm. The preferred laser for papilloma is CO2 laser. Neodymium YAG laser used for obstructing lesions. In addition to the use of argon laser in the treatment of pigmented lesions, it is also used in middle ear surgery. The type of laser used for tattoo and hair removal is Alexandrite laser, and it is used for the treatment of superficial vascular lesions. For facial skin resurfacing, erbium doped YAG laser is used. It has less collagen shrinkage in comparison with CO2 laser. Dyspatric skin type most prone to hyperpigmentation following CO2 laser. Skin resurfacing is type 6 skin. The ideal candidate to pulse dye laser for port 1 stain is type 1 skin. Numbers related to CO2 lasers we said before: 0.03 centimeter or 0.3 millimeter. This is the depth of penetration. 10.6 micrometers is the wavelength or 10,600 nanometer. You should know that the diameter of blood vessel that can be coagulated by CO2 laser is 0.5 millimeter. Finally, to mention that CO2 laser is the preferred method to treat oral precancerous lesions and early invasive squamous cell carcinoma. I hope that this was a quick review about the most important question and will be beneficial for you all in your exam. And thank you very much for listening.